Let's continue from here. Var create results equal evet user manager dot we write current async. We got an error here. We put our code inside the if block. I'm adding one more check here. I'm writing create result.succeeds. So if this process is success, let's perform the login process. I am writing var identity login equals await user manager.add login async. It requires two parameters. One is user and the other is login info. I am also checking here. I am writing identity login.succeeded. That is, if the transaction is successful, I enter this information as a parameter to the sign-in async method in the await sign-in manager. And I let my return URL variable as a parameter to the return redirection URL method. So I am waiting. If the operation is unsuccessful, we can set an error message. Inside the else block, we can return the error details. It's not very important. It can stop for now. I'm remaining our method to social media response. If none of our transactions have been successful, we can redirect to our sign up page again with on return redirection direct to action methods. If we had an error page under our shared folder, so we could redirect there as well. I put breakpoints into place before trying our codes. I forgot to change the name of parameter inside our Facebook login method. I fixed it. Now I am logging in with Facebook signup. I click the Facebook login button. I continue from within the code with F10. He redirects us to his Facebook page. When we choose continue from the Facebook page, we enter our code again. We process with F10, checking our login info. Our login info is not null. Our login provider is Facebook. Our provider key is as it appears. Let's check our database too. We expect it to print data to the ASP.NET user logins table after doing the operations. I continue step by step. We check if the user is logged in. I continue, we are checking if I have an email. I continue, I get an error when I perform the create operation. Actually perform the operation here, but we had a problem with the nomenclature. We are making the adjustments in our startup. In startup, we allow some special characters in user expression with the allowed username character method. We also add Turkish character. We also write capital letters. We continue to add special characters, such as numbers of parrots. I run my project again. I click on sign in and say sign in with Facebook. I'm adding breakpoint where we got before. I'm checking the incoming value. I see that success is true. I'm doing the login process now. I continue. Or return URL is correct now. So it doesn't matter if you didn't know where to let us. When I want to go home, the transactions are completed. You can also check from the database that our transaction was successful. When we check our table, you can see that the data comes here as well. Let's take a look at the users. We see that the transaction has been completed. I am completing this lesson. In the next lesson, we will continue with only Google. See you. Goodbye.